Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome to Hera English School channel. Today inshallah we are going to see in standard 10th subject English writing skill. One of the writing skill is summary writing. Now when we define summary, it is reframing and restating the main points of a work and providing the central idea to the reader without getting into specific details. Okay, now we are going to see some of the major points to understand the essentials of the good summary, how we need to write. For that, some of the topics, some of the important points are: summary should be short, simple and to the point. The information provided should be accurate and should not lose focus on what the writer wishes to convey. While summarizing includes only the points given in the original passage and not your own points. Keep reading and reviving the matter in hand before breaking them down. While summarizing, concentrate more on the notes that you have made and not the original passage. Now the steps in summary writing. First step is edit. Second step, provide a title. Third step, restate the passage in your own words. The fourth step is reframe the sentences. The fifth step which we are going to see is find the key point conveyed. You need to identify the key points. Understand now the next step. Sixth step is understand the central idea of that passage or that paragraph, which we are going to turn into summary. Now the last one is read the passage well. That means 3 to 4 times we need to read the passage, then we come out with the ideas there and how to make the sentences short. But see to it that in the summary writing, the main idea or the main central idea of that or the theme of that paragraph is maintained. Now we are going to see one of the examples here. See there, the passage is there. Summarize the following passage, reducing it to about 1/3 its length. Okay. The crown and glory of life is character. It is the noblest possession of a man, constituting a rank in itself, dignifying every station and exalting every position in society. It exercises a greater power than wealth, and securing all the honor without the jealousies of it. It exercises a greater power than wealth, securing all the honor without the jealousies of fame. It carries with it an influence which always tells, for it is the result of proved honor, rectitude, and consistency. Qualities which perhaps more than any other command the general confidence and respect of mankind. As daylight can be seen through very small holes, so little things will illustrate a person's character. Indeed, character consists in little acts, well and honorably performed. Daily life being the quarry from which we build it up, and rough hews the habits which form it. Smiles. Now, here the paragraph ends. Now, the title which is given here to this paragraph is The Value of Character. Now, the main points which are there, we need to first jot down those points. The first point here is character is the crown and glory of life. Second point given, it is more powerful than wealth and brings honor to us. Now the third point given here is it commands the confidence and rest of mankind. The fourth point here is character consists in little acts, the small acts, that is what. And the last point, that is the fifth point here, is it is built up by the regular performance of duties. Okay. Now let us write it down in the form of a paragraph as a summary. See here. The title is given first, The Value of Character. Character is the crown and glory of life. It is the noblest possession of man. It exalts his position. It is more powerful than wealth and brings honor without exciting jealousy. It is the result of rectitude and consistency, qualities which are respect. It consists in little acts honorably done. Character can be built by the honorable performance of our duties and by the formation of good habits. So here we understand that whatever it was written in the paragraph of the example, it has been turned down into the small compact form, and all the points are included in it, and the major central idea of that or the theme of that paragraph is maintained. For that, the first and foremost thing is, first of all, you need to read that paragraph twice, thrice, or 4 times. And whenever you have that central idea or understanding of that matter, then only you start writing the main points, and then you have to make all the points into a paragraph form. Okay, so inshallah next time we'll continue with the other writing skills. Jazakallah.